out the door. Like I said, pushing them in, pushing them out. Woo! That was a vicious one. Out of there.
Vision, let them all see the eye. Plotting on the meal ticket, dodging all the bike cops. Main street's real wicked. I'ma need some willpower. Plotting on the meal ticket, put my name in wheel car. Come on, journey on the check. Come on, take them real far. Tell attorneys keep a check. Come and get the mail off. Money and respect, fly shit. Live talk, the high shit. Get you wet up, lit up like a Molotov. High sauce, stop playing. Niggas know I been hot. Cool it right now. Hell no, I been hot. Chillin', you know, chillin' with me. Know I been hot. You where you been, you ain't know I been hot. Where you been, I been hot. Ball with no rim, I just keep the bin stock. When it's war, no kids get exempt from the shots. Liquor store in my crib, 100 bottles, different guy. I want a meal ticket, I won't sit up here and lie. I know it feel different, I won't hit a bill with God. Pussy fit up in a Gucci, high. I got my 9 right now. Bitch, I blow your mind right now. I ain't fucking around right now. Better get in line right now. I'll fuck around and die right now. Hope you understand that. Bitch, I'm the man. Oh, I'm the man. You know I'm the man. Bitch, I'm the man. Oh, I'm the man. You know I'm the man. Bitch, I'm the man. Oh, I'm the man. You know I'm the man.
Well, time to tighten up some wires. Take it out tomorrow. Test and tune. Finalization. Out here. Another one going out the door, testing and tuned. My man said he fresh on the ground with him. Straight. Where'd he come from, man? The bike. Where'd the bike come from, though?
Texas.
So how did you find it in Texas?
Oh man, you know, internet research.
Oh, okay. So what made you settle on this? Was because it's a Road Glide? Oh, the color.
Yeah, you see a lot of black ones out
Yeah.
there. A little different.
Okay, yeah. So you got a name for him yet?
Nah, not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Well, welcome to the Harley Davidson game, my man. Let people see what you work with, man. What you got in your hand, man? Hey, there you go. Coming to a city near you. Gotta go.
Where you been, I been hot. Ball with no rim, I just keep the bin stock. When there's war, no kids get exempt from the shots. Liquor store in my crib, 100 bottles, different guy.
Oh, we got a phone call coming in. Hey, yo, gal, your phone just took over. Your phone always want to take over, so you gotta turn the Bluetooth off on the phone.
Go to airplane mode. Yeah. No, actually, you just turn the Bluetooth off. That shit.
Phone?
I want a meal ticket, I won't sit up here and lie. I know it feel different, I won't interfere with God. Uzi fit up in a Gucci, high. Uzi fit up in a Gucci.
I don't own the rights to this music, but we're gonna let it finish off a little bit, then we out of here.
High. Front row tickets and my chick a ticket buy. Punch bowl, party, tip the waitress one more time. Bitch, I been hot, pussy, not his job. God flow, skyscraper, sipping scotch from 89. Wait, I'ma do me, nigga, I'ma get mine. Only day free when you're fucking full time.
Done with you.